This is the Petrified fish Bunta, and it's got a G10 handle. You can see the texture in that, real nice feel to it, and the action on this knife is phenomenal. It's very snappy, and blade on this very slicey. It's a D2 blade. 3.5 inches, has a captive pivot, and it's a true deep carry clip all the way there. It tucks in underneath the scale, so there's no screws sticking out or anything. Very nice, and I like multiple deployment. And this has a nice thumb hole. It's in a good spot, so you can open it with your thumb or reverse flick, and it's chopped shut. Great action. It's got some nice jimping here on the flipper, also on the back of the blade for grip. Reversible clip. This is just an all-around awesome knife. Really like this knife. I give it 5 stars.